Hello and thanks for joining me, Emma Louise Hamilton at the Amazon Dream. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a fail-safe way to track profits and manage cash flow when selling on Amazon. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you get notified when I next release a video. The tool I will be sharing helps you to track sales daily, which helps to show what you are selling and when. Let's head over to screen share and I can show you the tool now. As an Amazon seller, you probably understand the importance of tracking your numbers so you can identify if you are making a profit. Tracking profits can be difficult, especially when you have a lot of stock. Sellerboard is the most powerful after-sales Amazon software currently available on the market. It tracks your day-to-day profits, giving you precise profit analytics at the glance of an eye tailored to your specific account. I'd like to give a big shout out to Sellerboard for sponsoring this video and offering you a free 2-month trial of the software. In this video, I will show you how to use Sellerboard to effectively track profits to ensure you make the most out of your free trial. Once you have registered using the link in the description box, the dashboard will load. You do need a professional seller's account to use Sellerboard. This is the case with most Amazon seller tools. Sellerboard will typically load the last 1 year of sales and provide an overview of your profit and loss in real time. This row of boxes are called tiles, and at a glance you can see how you are doing over a period of time. The first tile shows statistics for today, the next for yesterday, the next for this month, and Sellerboard is pretty intuitive, where they also give you a forecast for how you will do in the rest of the month based on your current sales, and then finally we have last month. You can also change the order of these tiles by going to the drop-down menu and selecting an option of your choice. This is a demo account, which is why it is in dollars, but Sellerboard works whether you sell in the UK and EU or in the US. It is perfect if you are doing retail and online arbitrage or private labeling. If you are doing FBA, Sellerboard is for you. Let's delve into some of the statistics which are displayed on each tile. So firstly, we have sales. This is the amount of money you've brought in today from sales. Then we have the number of orders and number of units which have been sold, and then we have the number of refunds. Moving down, we have advertising costs. This applies if you are doing pay-per-click and generally is more targeted towards private labeling. Then we have the estimated payout from today's sales, and then we also have the net profit. If you navigate to the More tab, it breaks down all your numbers into categories. So if we go to Amazon fees, we see that it breaks it all down for you. So firstly, we have the FBA fulfillment fee. So this is the fee Amazon charges for fulfilling the order, so for delivering your item to the customer and also providing customer service. We then have the FBA storage fee, which is how much Amazon charges you to store your product in their fulfillment centers. And then finally, we have the commission fee, which is the fee that Amazon charges for giving you the customer. Sellerboard also takes into account your cost of goods. This is important as generally people show a snapshot of sales, but that includes the cost they paid for the goods and also doesn't subtract the fees or taxes, so it is not a true representation of profits and just a snapshot of sales. After selling for a year or so, sellers do their accounts and are shocked at how little profit they've made. Using a tool like Sellerboard will help to manage expectations from the outset. Then there are other expenses that Sellerboard takes into account, such as VAT, and then at the end we have our return on investment and our net profit. Each tile is programmed to show specific information below for that particular period. So for example, today we can see that we sold 22 units. However, if we navigate to last month, all the information changes and we can see that we sold 846 units of this particular product last month. In this section, we can see a host of information, including how many units of a particular line have been refunded. Navigating to the tile at the top, if we click the number of refunds, we can also see the reason why these items have been refunded. Refund stats are vitally important, as returns can literally kill your profits. This is because when you get a refund, Amazon keeps 20% of the original order-related fee, up to a maximum of £5 for each item refunded. They call this the refund administration fee. Additionally, Amazon doesn't reimburse you the FBA fees, as they have delivered the item to the customer and also provided customer service. Clicking into the More section, we can find out further information about refunds. So as you can see, it will break down the costs related to a refund, and as demonstrated, refunds cost you a lot of money. So when your sale gets refunded, you need to cancel the profit you've already made, and luckily Sellerboard will do this for you. Additionally, Sellerboard factors in whether a return item is in a resellable condition. If it is, the cost of the product is then added back into your statistics as demonstrated here. Other stats that you can see for each product include the gross profit, net profit and return on investment. You can also view each of these from highest to lowest and vice versa. To do this, simply click the title at the top of each column. So if you are doing retail arbitrage, you could filter your return on investment from highest to lowest and identify if the item could be a replenishable item that you could restock, as you know the product is giving great returns. There is also another tab next to products called Order Items. This will allow you to really hone in further on every item that has been ordered in the last month. So you can see cost of goods for each item. You can also see which marketplace the item was sold in. You can see how many units were sold, the revenue that it brought in, and also your Amazon fees. The More tab will allow you to drill down even further into your costs and profits. So basically, you can track down your profit by any product, any period of time, and any order. You can also view your data in the form of a chart or a profit and loss spreadsheet. I am just going to show you two more important functions of Sellerboard so that you can really make the most out of your free trial. Sellerboard also takes into account expenses. As you can see, they are detailed here. To add expenses to your account, simply head over to the Expenses tab. This is super important, as we all have expenses, so they need to be added into this section here. Anything like BuyBot Pro, Online Arbitrage Deals or reprices would go into this section. Additionally, you would also add anything like your accountant, office and warehouse costs. And finally, you can group products by marketplace. This will show sales in each marketplace, which links in nicely to the video I did about setting up pricing rules in EU countries to ensure you are not making a loss. I will leave that video in the info cards above. Sellerboard makes it super easy to see your EU sales at a glance. In Amazon Seller Central, you need to switch between marketplaces using the tab at the top of the screen. However, with Sellerboard, it gives you a snapshot of all marketplaces displayed in one place. You can clearly see how much you have sold, your refund rate, and as usual, you can drill down further and see all fees for all marketplaces by navigating to the More tab. Sellerboard literally accounts for all the fees you can think of, from inbound transportation costs to Amazon customer returns and subscription fees. Prior to Sellerboard, I was literally spending hours per month inputting my costs into spreadsheets. Now I just add in the buy price into Sellerboard and that's it. It will give you your daily, weekly and monthly stats. It breaks down your profit margin and gives you your profit after all fees. It really is a powerful tool. Take advantage of the free trial by clicking the link in the description box. It is an affiliate link, so I will get a small commission if you do sign up after the free trial. As we all love a free trial, be sure to hit the thumbs up button now. Do let me know in the comment section below if you will be trialing the software. Additionally, I would love to know how many hours per week you are currently spending manually tracking your sales and profits. Be sure to drop a comment in the comment section below and I will be sure to reply. I hope you found this tutorial on how to use Sellerboard useful. Remember to click the link in the description box for a 2-month free trial. I've been Emma Louise Hamilton and I make videos all about Amazon FBA, entrepreneurship and mindset. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care for now. Bye.